Do you love delicious and healthy soup? Today I'm making a rich sweet chard vegetable soup packed with flavor. Let's get started. So we need fresh sweet chard, and this leaf is very rich in antioxidants and has a lot of health benefits. So we need also our green pepper, we need tomatoes, onions, and locust bean. Locust bean is very good for the eye, and also scotch pepper. Make it very hot, spicy. Give everything a proper wash. Make sure it's well cleaned. The Swiss chard is well cleaned with the midrib because I'll be using all the stem, the midrib, and the leafy parts. This is the second wash. I made use of salt to wash this part to make it completely clean. And it's time to chop my vegetable. Carefully separate the leafy parts from the midrib and then go ahead and chop. I'll be making use of all the parts of this vegetable. I'm not going to throw away anything. Nothing is going to go waste. The midrib is the middle part, the thick middle part. So I will chop everything, both the leafy part, the midrib, and steam separately. Because the midrib is a bit tough. It's tougher than the leafy part, so it has to be steamed separately to avoid getting the leafy part too soft. I'm done blending the leaf and it's a bit too tiny for me. So I'll be making use of my knife now to chop the rest of the leaf. So this is the midrib. Don't throw this part away. It will add a lot of flavor and texture and more nutrients to your vegetable. Chop slightly, not too tiny, not too smooth. And then this is the result. This processor is very good for this, the midrib, but not for the leaf because I'm having it too tiny. So I would prefer to use my knife to chop the leaf. And this is all I got. 4 parts of the leaf and then half pot of midrib. So let's get started. We're going to steam both the leaf and the midrib in separate pots until it's a bit soft. Maybe within 5 to 10 minutes, it should be done. And then I'm checking it here. You can see that it's already soft and it's ready to be cooked. It's best to steam your vegetables to preserve the nutrients and nothing is going to waste. And it's time for us to blend all our pepper, tomatoes, onions, and everything together and start to cook. Just give it a rough blend. There's no need to add water to it. Blend well with this type of processor. You don't need to add water. It's strong enough. And then it's time for us to pour in to our pot a little oil. I'm going to be making use of vegetable oil and red oil. That's palm oil. That is how I love to use it. You can make use of any oil of your choice. Pour in all the blended ingredients together and give it a little stir. Add in your proteins. I have here dry fish and spice also. Add in your spice in little quantity, not too much. And then I have locust bean, extra locust bean. This is a dry one. Add salt to taste and give it a good stir. Then I have chicken broth to add to improve the taste. Then it's time to cover for a good steam. And then I'm adding extra crayfish also as a kind of protein, which will also improve the taste of the soup. And give it a good stir also from time to time. Give it a good stir. And the first thing to add is the midrib, the steamed midrib, because that's the tough part of the vegetable. And give it a good stir, a good mix. And then we go in with the leafy parts. Add it little by little. I have it a lot, so I have to do it step by step. This is the first batch I'm adding to it. And then I give it a good mix. Add the second batch. Give it a good mix also. And then the last batch with all the water that was extracted. Everything goes into the soup, so nothing is wasted. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do right away for more delicious and healthy recipe. Don't forget this vegetable is so rich, is nutrient dense, and also it's good for your heart, blood sugar regulation, weight management, cancer prevention, and lots more. Thanks for watching. Remember to like. Bye for now. God be with you.